How to add first name in the subject line in Klaviyo. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to update or change or add also a subject or the name for the person that you're going to send the email to in the subject line. So we're going to head over the Klaviyo platform. After that, we are going to head over our campaign and then we are going to modify it. So we are going to head over here and we are going to be in this place. So we are going to click on next. After that, we are going to have here the subject line, as you can see. So what we're going to do is going to be very simple. We are going to modify our email. So this is the thing that you need to set up. So I'm going to add, for example, something here. Please work out. I'm going to edit and then we're going to add a text real quick. And this text, we're going to type in something and then we're going to head over the personalization and click on first name. I'm going to insert it and it is going to be something like that. So we are going to have only this part like that. You can see here the text is going to be dark or in the dark background. We're going to have it like that, so it is going to be shown up. Now we are going to be back, delete the letter that we have put. We're going to put it as this value. Now we can go ahead and have, for example, hey, for example, like this, hey, and we are going to let it as it is, so we can go ahead and send it like that. So that was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content and I hope to see you in the next one.